Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so accessories pair reliably. Make sure your iPhone and HomePod or Apple TV share the same Apple ID and are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Home app. This is where everything is organized. Tap the plus icon and choose Add Accessory to start scanning. You do this now because the app detects new devices immediately. If pairing asks for a code, enter it from the device or manufacturer card to authenticate and create a secure connection. Next, you add and configure accessories for daily use. Scan the Home Kit code or hold the device near your iPhone to auto-detect it. This speeds pairing and reduces errors. Assign each accessory to a room and give it a clear, spoken name so Siri recognizes it. Then open the accessory settings to set type, zones, status LEDs, and allowed users. Make sure to test on /off commands and create a simple automation to confirm triggers and timing work as expected before moving on. Finish by building automations and securing remote access. Create automations for routines, time of day, sensor activation, or when someone arrives, and combine scenes for multi-device control. Make sure you have a Home Hub, Apple TV, or HomePod set as online so you can control devices remotely and run automations reliably. Finally, check sharing to invite family and set camera permissions to limit recorded access. Troubleshooting tip: if a device won't respond, restart the accessory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.